In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the product variant price in Wix. If you have a Wix online store with products that come in multiple options or styles, knowing how to individually price these variants is crucial in managing your inventory effectively and ensuring your pricing reflects the product offering accurately. Let's begin by accessing your Wix dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Store Products and Inventory section. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all the products you have in your store. Locate the specific product you wish to edit, one that includes multiple options, such as different sizes, colors, or styles. Click on the product to open the editing interface. Now, scroll down to the section titled Product Options or Variants. Here, you'll want to make sure that the Manage Pricing and Inventory for Variants toggle is switched on. This is an essential step, as it unlocks the ability to set unique prices for each variant of your product, allowing you finer control over your pricing strategy and inventory management. Once that toggle is enabled, you can move on to setting the prices for each variant. There are two primary methods for this. The first method involves setting a price difference. Essentially, this means you can set a price adjustment from your base price, either by adding or subtracting a specific amount. For instance, if your base price is $100, a particular variant might be priced at an additional $10, or you might want to decrease it by $5, depending on your inventory strategy and cost considerations. The second method involves directly setting a price for some variants, if your version of Wix allows for this feature. In this case, instead of just modifying the base price, you have the option to override it entirely and assign a unique price to each variant. This can be particularly useful if your product variants have significantly different cost structures or if you wish to simplify pricing for your customers. After you've set your desired prices for the variants, don't forget to save your changes. It's always a good idea to double-check your work, so go ahead and preview the product page. This will allow you to verify that the pricing for different variants displays correctly when selected by a potential customer. By following these steps, you can ensure that your product's variants are accurately reflected in pricing, helping you avoid any confusion or mistakes in product listings. This kind of attention to detail can enhance the shopping experience for your customers and potentially improve your store's overall performance.